Using Toon's universal awning mounts to attach an awning to your Toon is a simple process. The mounts come in a pack of 2 that work with awnings that have double mounting slots up to 4.5 inches apart or single mounting slots. This video shows a Taruca 270 awning. For this install, you'll need a T40 Torx bit, a T27 Torx bit, and a 10mm wrench. You should also make sure you have both mounts for the awning side and the camper side, 4 T40 bolts, 4 hammer nuts, 1 T27 bolt, and 1 10mm nylock nut. To start, loosely attach 2 awning mount attachments to the awning using the hardware supplied by the awning manufacturer. The attachments should be snug but able to slide. Then attach the 2 awning mount base pieces to the awning mount attachments. Now you're ready to hook the awning into the camper's T-track. Shift the awning forward or backward as needed until you are happy with the location. Once the awning placement is decided, carefully remove the awning, lifting it vertically and avoiding shifting the location of the attachment pieces. Once the awning is removed, tighten the attachment pieces to the awning where they remain. With the attachment pieces tightened, lift and attach the awning once more. Lastly, insert the M6 bolts into the lower holes. Secure with the M6 nylon nut and tighten. And now you're done. Our mounts are semi-quick release, which means you can easily remove your awning when it's not needed.